our premium session, kicking it up a notch from yesterday. Hey y'all, welcome back. Zone 3 is going to be the outside of your swag. Zone 3, that's where you put your creme de la creme. This is your heavy fabric. This is normally what people be like, oh my God, I don't know what it is, but that just looks flawless.
My name is Shauna. I am from Virginia. I took my first class in February and I learned the basics, but I didn't quite have the technique or color theory, so I wanted to learn more and I'm here.
I've been following Precious since about January and came down and did a class here for April and highly suggested. Come on down.
Hi, I'm Yvette Creel from Cleveland, Ohio, and I'm back for day 2. I'm constantly learning. It's like a huge learning curve, and I recommend anybody come to Posh Academy if you want to step up another level.
I've been following Precious for quite a while, and I finally decided to take one of her premium classes and absolutely love it.
Thank you, Precious, for having me back again, and I've really enjoyed learning today.
Hey guys, we just wrapped our premium draping masterclass in the 3-day Garden Glam workshop. If you're looking to take your skills to the next level, guess what? I just need y'all to click the link below and look at the schedule for our upcoming classes. Our studio is located here in Atlanta, so if you're used to us traveling all over the map, guess what? We don't do that anymore, okay? Click the link below and I hope to see you guys on the inside. Bye!